Hi my dear beginner violin player. Welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and I will be your violin teacher. On my channel you saw already so many videos with the lessons for the beginner violin players, intermediate violin players, some music theory lessons. I decided, guys, to create for you a songbook, 15 easy songs for beginner violin players. This book available only in PDF format, so you always will be able to use your book or on a tablet or on your computer or maybe even on the phone. To be able to use this book, the only thing what you need to have on your computer or your tablet or your phone is Adobe Reader. Like this, it will be much more easier for you to use that book. MP3 files with the piano plus metronome accompaniment coming in the separate folder. So first what you're gonna do, you'll open your book, you look at the first page where you have a song, then you click on free lesson with the book open, you watch free lesson, and then after that you'll play your exercises. And when you play your exercise for the song and the song, of course you can use the MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. I think enough with the presentation and we should start with our lessons. Number 5. Kitty. Please first look at the tempo. Moderato, BPM 90. To be able to play with your MP3 accompaniment, you have to learn where you're supposed to start. So, please look at the time signature. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try to do it by yourself. After you play the song, you have to exercise this song. I'm pretty sure that it wasn't so easy. That's why we have 3 more exercises. The yellow sticker here, just right here, says exercise number 1 and 2, playing the different parts of the bow, play currently to a metronome. I want you to play all quarter notes full bow and all 8 notes half of the bow, or upper half of the bow or lower half of the bow, just like this girl on the video. Let's have a look. Please pay attention on your 4th finger. You have to stretch it all the time. Exercise number 2. Let's check what our sticker says. The only difference between first exercise and the second exercise, the rhythm in those exercises are different. So please pay attention on that as well. on your bow. Your bow have to be exactly in the middle between bridge and fingerboard. And exercise 3, bow stroke legato and smooth bow changes. All quarter notes, and for bow stroke legato, full bow, like this we will learn how to use our bow better. No matter it's one note on full bow or two notes on full bow or maybe 100 notes on full bow. Let's check how the girl on the video plays legato and if she's doing good string crossing. You always have to remember that first we are placing the finger and then we are moving the bow. This book will help you to improve your bow skills and also bow stroke détaché and legato. As well, you will learn how to play with the metronome and to not run a little bit ahead of metronome or to be a little bit behind the metronome. As well, you will feel more comfortable to play with the piano because sometimes students, they learn their part but they don't know the piano part, and when they are playing with the accompaniment they don't feel very secure. So this book will help you to do that as well, to feel secure when you're playing with the piano or any other accompaniment. And of course, instead of using the stickers on your violin, this book will help you to learn the notes on your violin with these nice happy yellow pictures. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video lesson.